Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy crypto on Pepperstone. It's not that difficult and I will show you today what you need to do to buy crypto. So the first thing that you need to do is create your account, verify your account, or you can use a demo account that I'm using right here. And then what you need to do is go here to crypto and then select here the crypto list. And then right here, you will find all the crypto that you can buy right here on Pepperstone. So let's say we want to buy some Bitcoin to US dollars. So we click here on Bitcoin. And then right now we can create a position right here by just clicking here on buy. And then fill in here the order type. So let's do market order. Select right here the lots that we want to buy. So let's do a 0.2. And then if you want to take profit or create a stop loss, click here on protection orders and then enable the stop loss. And then you can create your stop loss right there or your take profit, what you want. Now we deselect it from now because we just want to buy crypto, and then we click now on send order, and now we open our position right here on the chart. So this is how you can buy crypto right here on Pepperstone. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.